our project.
Hello, I'm Nasim Rana. My ID is 163 351725. Our topic's name is part-time job portal.
Hello, I am Pritom Mondal. My ID is 163351719.
Hello, I'm Baker Siddik. My ID is 163351741.
Hello, I am Hafijur Rahman and my ID is 163351739. Now I'm gonna explain the use case diagram. So here is the project use case diagram. There are three actors in this use case diagram: job seeker, employer and system. Now we can see that the first use case is add personal details. A job seeker can add his personal details as well as his CV. Then the next use case is manage personal details. Here a job seeker can delete and update his personal details. Next, add skills. Here a job seeker can add his skills. The following use case is job search. A job seeker can search jobs by writing a job title and hit enter in the search bar. The next is view job details. A job seeker can see a job's details by clicking on a job post. The next use case is suggest jobs related to the skill. Here the system suggests some job to the job seeker according to his skills. After this, apply for job. A job seeker can apply for a posted job. The next use case is turn on notification. A job seeker can turn on notification for future job posts. After this, we have get notification. Job seeker get notification for future post if the notification option is turned on. Then user access control. Here user registration and login is included by user access control. Use case. Job seeker and employer both can register and log into the system. The following use case is add company details. Here an employer can add his company details. Create new job circular. A employer can create new job post. Add job requirements use case is included by create new job circular use case. Here an employer can add required skills and experience in the new job post. Manage job circular. Here an employer can update or delete a job circular. View applicants for job. An employer can view all applicants lists for his posted job. Then view applicants personal details. Here employer can view applicants CV. System sends confirmation mail to its user. Employer send interview invitation to job seeker. System send notification. That's all.
Hello, I'm Baker Siddik again. Now I'm gonna describe use case description. Number 1, use case. Suggest job related to the skills. Number 2, goal. Job seekers visit their homepage and system shows them some suggestion related to job seekers' skills. Number 3. Precondition. Job seeker must be logged in and job seeker skills should be added before. Number 4. Post condition. Success in and failure in. Success in. Job seeker sees some job suggestion in the homepage related to his skills. Failure in. No job suggestion in the job seeker's homepage. Number 5. Actors. Primary, system. Secondary, not applicable. Number 6. Trigger. Job seeker logged in. Success scenario. Step and action. Action. Job seeker add his personal skills. System analyze job seeker's skills. Job seeker visit his home page. System shows suggestion in the home page. Alternative flow. Step and branching action. Branching action. Job seeker did not add his skills. Job seeker's home page is empty. And quality requirement. Step and requirement. Requirement. Homepage can show maximum 10 suggestions and generate pagination for more suggestions. Thank you.
Hello, I am Pritom Mondal again. Now I am describing the use case description of use case user login. Use case user login. Secondly, goal user login in the system. Third, precondition job seekers must be registered. 4. Post or end condition. Success end. User can get access in the system and get services from the system. Failure end. User can't access in the system. 5. Actors. Primary job seeker or employer. Secondary non-applicable. Trigger. Login request comes in. Success scenario. Step 1, we see that action. User fills up login form with username and password. And secondly, user sends login request. Alternative flow. Step 1A, branching action. User fills up login form with wrong username or password. 1A1, login failed. Quality requirement. Step requirement non applicable. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nasim Rana. Now I'll describe create new job circular use case. Goal is employer creates a new job circular in order to get job applications from the job seekers. Number 3, precondition employer must be logged in. Post condition success end would be employer has published the job circular and job seekers can see the job circular, and the future failure end would be job circular is not published. And actors, there will be only primary actors, which is employer. There will be no secondary actors. Number 6, trigger. On create new job button click, and now success scenario. Step 1, employer fills a form with job title, designation and salary range. 2, use case add job requirements. 3, employer publishes the job circular. 4, employer receives a confirmation mail. Now alternative flow. Alternative flow would be employer saves the job circular as draft. Next, form is saved for future use. And finally, quality requirements. Step 1, job title contain maximum 30 words and job circular cannot be published.
Hello, it's Hafijur Rahman. Now I'm gonna describe use case diagram. The use case is turn on notification. Goal. Job seeker turns on notification to get notified by email when new job circular is created related to their skills. Precondition. Job seeker must be logged in and must have a valid email address connected with the system. Post condition. Success end. Job seeker gets notification from system for new job. Failure end. Job seeker doesn't get notification from system. Actor. There will be only primary actors, and that is job seeker. Trigger, turn on notification comes in. Success scenario. Step 1. Job seeker login in the system. Step 2. Job seeker press turn on notification button. That's it.
Hello, I am Pritom. Now I am going to explain sequence diagram for manage personal details use case. Here actor is job seeker and there is one class named user and database is part of the system. First, job seeker sends and update request to user class. Then user class tells database to replace the previous CV with the new one. After replacing the CV, database notify to user class that CV is replaced. Then user class notifies to actor. That's all.
Hello, I'm Baker Siddik. Now I am going to explain a sequence diagram for view job details. Here actor is job seeker and there is a class named job and database is a part of the system. First of all, job seeker requests job details to the job classes and then job class execute get details method which has one argument job ID. This method select the job details from database and return to the job class. Job class notify the actor and show result. That's it.
I'm Nasim again. This time I'm going to explain sequence diagram of apply job for job use case. Here, actor is job seeker and there is only one class named job. First of all, job seeker will request to apply for job by clicking a button to job class. Then a method of job class name apply will be executed. There are two arguments in this method. One is job ID and second one is user ID. This method will send a request to database to keep the record of this job application. Then database will respond with apply apply success. Now job class will notify the user that application is successful.
Now I am going to explain sequence diagram of job search use case. Here actor is job seeker. Job seeker sends a search request to the search space. Search space execute a method named search. This method has a argument search keyword is passed as argument. This method searches jobs from database and returns the results. Then search space notify the job seeker and shows the results.
Hello, I'm Baker Siddik. Now I am going to explain our project class diagram. There are 4 classes in the project: user, employer, job and job seeker. Here user class is extended by employer and job seeker class. So every employer and every job seeker is a user. Employer and job seeker both has some common attributes and methods. These attributes and methods are contained by user class. One employer can create many jobs and one job class can apply for many jobs. Also, one job may have many jobs as a job applicant. So, employer and job class has one-to-many relationship, and job seeker and job class have many-to-many relationship between them. Thank you.
It's Hafijur Rahman again. Now I am going to explain database design of our project. First of all, we have a user table. Here ID is primary key and other columns are used to store the basic information of an user. We have two types of user: job seeker and employer. Job seeker table is used to store job seekers information, and employer table is used to store the employer's information. Job seeker and employer both table has one-to-one relationship with user table. Available date table is to store data to store job seekers availability in a week. Job seeker table and available date table has one-to-many relationship. Skill table is to store job seekers skills. Job seeker table and skill table has one-to-many relationship. Job table is used to store the posted jobs and their information. Employer creates job, so employer table has one-to-many relationship with job table. Required skill table is used to store the skill list for a job, so it has many to one relationship with job table. Working day table is used to store the working days of a job, so it has many to one relationship with job table. Our final table is job application. It is used to store job applications for the job. Job seeker and job table both has one-to-many relationship with job application table. Thanks for watching us.